Hey, if you want to give or get a great massage, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes. Today, Tamara and I will teach you the secrets of gliding your hands over your body in a series of strokes known by their French name, Effleurage. By the end of this video, you will know how to make yourself and anyone you want happier and healthier. This is the first of a 6-part series. It's a learn by doing video. So while you view it, do it. Let's get started. There are 7 strokes to a brilliant massage. Gliding is the first. It's as simple as sliding your hand over your beautiful body. It's a great way to begin a massage. It warms you and gets your body in the mood. Massage therapists call this stroke effleurage. Try it. It's as simple as it looks. Just skim your hand over your skin, anywhere and everywhere. Use just enough pressure to move your skin. If you're not already doing it, do it now. Get your hands out. Let them glide over your body. Slide them and glide them. Touch down anywhere and everywhere. Press lighter, press harder. Keep gliding. Faster. Slower. Here, there, and everywhere. Get creative with it. By now you should be comfortable with the glide stroke. Keep gliding. It feels good, doesn't it? Now that your hands know how to glide, all you need are a few fabulous massage tools. Fortunately, you have a great set, no further away than your fingertips. Your hands. Let's reimagine them as the best massage tools on the planet, because that's what they are. Believe it or not, your hand is a virtual Swiss Army knife of massage tools. Each of these tools can be used to glide anywhere and everywhere over your fabulous body. Your hands are amazingly flexible and can produce an infinite variety of massage tools to glide anywhere your imagination will let them go. Now that you know the basic glide stroke, there are 2 big things you can do to change the way it feels: speed and pressure. You can speed it up, or you can slow it down. You can also change the intensity of your glide stroke from low to high. Glide your hand over your thigh lightly a few times. Now increase the intensity by pressing hard into your quads. Big difference, yes? You've seen this one before. Now it's time to try it. Place both fists above your ankle and glide them, making small circles up your leg. And just follow along with Tamara and let the music guide your hands over your body. Stop what you're doing, quiet your hands, and breathe. 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 It's time to relax and notice how good you feel. Reflect on what you learned today. You learned more than just to glide your hands over your body. You learned a massage stroke that can help you relax and feel better anytime you need it. You learned a new way to feel about yourself and your friends. This is the first of a 6-part video series based on the book Self-Massage for Athletes, which introduced a new kind of self-massage. It's not your parents' self-massage, it's self-massage for your whole body. It's not assisted massage like you find in spas, it's do-it-yourself massage. It's active, not passive. It empowers you and teaches you about yourself. It's easy to learn and simple to do. It challenges, stretches, and exercises you. It helps you relieve pain in a new, more effective way. To learn more about this new kind of self-massage, check out our website at selfmassage.com. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below to let us know. And subscribe to feel better fast. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.